Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free item from Halloween Forever pack in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Gold Garden update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the Grow a Garden game, and if you want to get the Halloween Forever pack for free, you can go to the shop menu, and here guys you can scroll down until you find the Halloween Forever pack, and I have already claimed one of the items from this Halloween Forever pack, so I need to come back after 8 hours, and if I'm not mistaken it will be updated after 24 hours guys, after you claim the reward or the item. And I have just claimed the Halloween Radar, if I'm not mistaken, and you will have possibility to get candy corn as well, candy corn, and then event lantern, and then the Halloween gear box, and yeah, so on. And don't forget to visit this the limited time shop to get the Halloween Forever pack, and you can claim it for free. Okay guys, and that's how we can claim the Halloween Forever pack. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.